it seems almost cliche to say, people started recognizing hospitality as more of an experience than it was utilitarian. And I suppose that shift is what allows us to add value beyond what goes onto the plate.
To spot this new market opportunity in Cape Town, then just as it was probably starting to increase, and then you get to the end of 2024, rated the #1 food city in the world.
We started building what was our boutique hospitality group, which is now No Name Hospitality Group. We're now 12 brands, just over 400 staff. We're onboarding around 4 new brands or stores a year. So we're really at a consistent growth phase over the last 3 years.
Dude, where I can see you going is I can actually almost see you sitting in the office of the mayor and having like town planning conversations around the core of hospitality, because like, again, what you're saying is very much obvious in terms of how humans like to behave.
It's all well and good we've been voted the #1 culinary destination in the world, but if we're not aligning ourselves in terms of price, how do we stay there? How do we create sustainability in the restaurant space? How do we continue encouraging entrepreneurs and restaurateurs to open shops when the margins are so tight?
You mentioned the fact that a couple of people have gotten a bit too trendy, lost their kind of way. What do you think are the core fundamentals to really get right, and where do you see people going wrong or trying too hard or not trying hard enough?
We had the opportunity to franchise our business, particularly Jared's, very early on in our career, and we had to make an active decision and maybe a big risk, but what we cognizantly were aware of was that walking into a corporate space and having a cookie cutter approach to business was going to ultimately kill us.